Assalamu alaikum. Introduce myself. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you so very much, all of you, for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. This is MD Abid Hossain in front of you. I am currently 26 years old. I am from Bangladesh, but I live at Phnom Penh in Cambodia because recently I came to Cambodia for earn more money. I have completed graduation in Tripoli Engineering at Institute of Engineers, Bangladesh. Basically, I am good at computer skill person. I have a 3 years of experience as a digital marketer. My responsibility was customer handling. I am a good learner, hardworking person, honest man, responsible, respectful, and I have a good attitude. I like to read motivational books in my free time. That makes me self-motivated. I don't like wasting time. Dishonest, smoking, and addicted people. Being an expert digital marketer is my future plan. As a service holder, I want to be the best of my section in your company. I want to be a successful digital marketer. I know about your company and I am so excited to join your company. Thank you so very much. Thank you.